Hey everybody, so in today's video I want to share with you what you need to stop right now. Alright, so not often, but sometimes I get borrowers for some reason. I think they're either skeptical or too worried about sending anything that they send me documents looking like this. Blacked out lines, covering everything. I can't tell what's going on here. It could be their bank statement, it could be their tax returns, it could be their W-2s. Whatever personal document that they're sending, they're blacking it out. And then when I ask them to unblack it out, they get upset. They're saying, why? Why do you need to see it? Well, here's the deal. When an underwriter, or even us, before we send it to the underwriter and we're pre-underwriting the file, we have to see all the transactions that's happening in your bank account so that we can get ahead proactively and flag if there are certain things that the underwriters are going to question. Additionally, the underwriter needs to go and check to make sure, is there any suspicious deposits happening? Are you actually earning an income and it's coming into the account? Are you getting a large gift money and it's been seasoned, or has it not been seasoned? There's a bunch of questions that we go through, and we can't have your bank statements be redacted and blacked out, or your tax returns, or any documents that we ask for. There's sometimes we even get on the homeowner insurance policy where they're blacking out the information. Please, I beg of you, stop it. Now, the second thing that you need to stop is stop sending just the first page or just one page of the tax return or the bank statement. We need all pages, including the blank pages. We're proactively getting ahead of it because we know that the underwriter, they're going to be asking the question as well. So I beg of you, first, stop blacking things out. Second, send all the pages, including the blank pages. All right, with that, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, comment below. Have you actually sent out documents that were blacked out? If you did, how did the loan officer respond? Were you thinking about it? If you did, was this video helpful? If it was, also there's another video about the 8 most important documents that you should send to make sure that you are clearing to close in 15 days or less. Appreciate you. Talk to you later. Bye.